In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and edit your shortcuts. In order to do that, use this icon at the top right corner. Click on Edit Switches. Scroll down, look for Caffeine shortcut and add it to your currently used ones. Then tap on Done. Click on your shortcut and wait. As you can see, my shortcut is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To turn it off, click on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!